Hello everybody, I'm here with my mommy, and today we are going to make slime like my other video that I did before I took a nap. So I'm going to do another one. So let's get started. Oops. So the first thing you have to do is you have to open your glue. Let's get this. Oh. Look it. You dressed up as that.
Hey.
I think, oh yeah, it was the ice cream, right?
Uh-huh.
Not Elmer's glue. Okay, this time we're gonna add a lot because I remember how the last time was and we just did a catastrophe. Ay, ay, ay.
Let's squeeze it together.
So it's gonna get better really fast. Here's what it looks like so far. Is it on the camera, Eric?
Mm-hmm.
So here's what it looks like so far.
This one looks so cool.
Mhm.
It has rainbow glitter in there, guys.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Oh, yummy. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what it looks like. It is super cool.
I'll leave this upside down while you put the other ingredients in, and then hopefully we can put the rest in, okay?
Okay.
You have to tell them what you're doing.
So next of all, what you have to do is you have to put this in the little teaspoons. So you have to be very careful. I'm just going to do it like this.
1.5 tablespoons.
Yes.
It's okay, we have a mess here from earlier.
Okay, there. First we're going to do this one. So you're just going to pour it in. So here what it looks like now. Okay. So next, come here, this.
This one.
No, this one.
No, it's a smaller one.
Oh,
It's a 1/2 tablespoon.
that
You have to smooth the top, remember?
there. Just a little bit. There. Just a little bit more.
I think that's good.
We're gonna add a little bit at a time, so that we're gonna do it different this time because we're going to do it a little bit at a time. So I want it to be cooler because this one's the specialist one. We're having a party next week, so I'm making it for you guys so that we don't have to feel and have a party at the same time because that will be too much fun and too much hard and stuff. So I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. So that was a lot, so I'm gonna save the rest. So I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. This time we're just going to leave it sticky. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay, then this is just gonna be a little bit stickier than the last one. So here's what.
Here,
So here's.
I'll make. Do you want me to help you mix it, and you can sprinkle in the baking soda?
Yeah.
Great job.
Okay. Whoa. Okay, now do I mix it with my hands?
Sure.
I think this is enough. This is how sticky we're gonna leave it. Unless we wash it. Whoa. Alright guys, for this one we are going to make it crazy. because we're gonna make it for a party next week. It's a Descendants party. We are going to invite my friends. So yeah, this is just going to be crazy, y'all. Look at this. This is so awesome. I just want to snuggle it up. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this stuff. Abadoo, 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 abadoo. This is so crazy. I'm just going to put a little bit of this solution in. Just the glue. Just this glue stuff. That's all I'm going to put in there. Because I want more slime. More and more slime. Oh my gosh. Elmer's glue. Why do you have to be so sticky picky? Blicky dicky. Dabadoo. 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 Stop sticking to me, hand. So, this is the finished product. Let's zoom in. Zoom in. So, here it is. So, we are going to put some more glue.
Oops.
So, this is just like the finished product, but we're going to put more glue. My mom is holding it right now to make it more. Look at this stuff. You can like wrap your hand in it and it gets stuck and you can just put it in. It's just like so fun. Look at this. So this is like my job. Like for videos, I decide to make slime. So those are my kind of videos. Slime, like slime. Stop sticking me. Heaven hope for this one rock in the door like a kid in a candy store.
What song are you singing?
Okay. Duck goat. Duck goat.
You gonna stick your finger in there? In the glue bottle?
Yeah. Okay. This time we switched films. What about the double cookie do the da do the da ba do the ga ba do the da do the da? About do the ga do the da do ga da ba do da. I ga ba do the ba do the da do the da go to the get go to Gabadi. Gabadi. Gabadi, get out. Gabadi, get out. Whoa. Wow. This is crazy. Mom. I'll tell you when we get off. I don't want to do it.
Okay.
Okay. So, like, this is the finished product, but so it's like so like that. Like, it's still there. But it's like so fun.
It's sticky.
So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to keep adding more and more slime to it because I'm just in love with this one. This one is just like so cool. Yeah, get more slime. Slime stickiness is what I need.
Put it in the solution so it won't be so sticky.
No. Okay, just a little bit. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's light purple. And it's just like so amazing.
Somebody your users.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me zoom up. This is what it looks
Your
like.
viewers.
Let me zoom up. So this is what it looks like. It's so fun. Look at this stuff. It's so fun. So I'm going to show you what our other one looks like, our last one. If the more we leave it, let me show you. I guess the more you leave it, the more not very sticky it gets. So This is a look of this one again. So that's just that one. Can you please put this in the plastic baggie? Get in there, you putt. Did these ones fart? Oh yeah. Bye. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it 1,080,000 subscribe. Don't forget that. We are going to have a other video. It's going to be a slumber party with some of my friends. So make sure you give that 1,010 subscribes too. So we'll see you next time. Bye.